we're gonna show you how we come together as a community, Sikh faith, follow the teachings of our own holy book, or we call it Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru is like a teacher. Okay, you all have a teacher, right?
Yeah.
So you go to school and the teacher tells you how you should do things and what is right, what is wrong. So similarly, our faith, our community comes and learns from our teacher, which is this, what we call as the 6 scriptures, called Guru Granth Sahib. You all know, right? So can you repeat the word Guru Granth Sahib?
Guru Granth Sahib.
Guru Granth Sahib. Can you all repeat Guru Granth Sahib? Yes. So this has 1430 pages. In 1604, it was completed. All right. And there are many writers, many different people. There are 6 the founders of the Sikh faith who wrote their hymns. So they talked about God. They talked about how all should be respected. Everyone should be given the same respect. Men and women should be treated equally. Okay? Just like you want to treat everyone equally, right? You don't want to say boys are better than the girls, or the people with black hair is better than the people with blonde hair. Dark eyes, black eyes are better than the brown eyes. Everyone is equal, right? So this is what the gurus, the teachers said, that everyone should be given love and respect. And also they said, don't cause harm to others when you're living your own life. Like when you go out, when you see something beautiful in the garden, you don't want to pluck every flower, right? Oh, I want to take all the flowers at my home. I want to decorate my home, and you take away all the, beauty and the fragrance, everything, right? Or, you want to have more things. Somebody will have less things. So you want to have a way of sharing things and not causing harm to others. Are you all following?
Yes.
And the third is that we are all here because God created us. God is the power behind everything, all the planets, all the earth, all the animals, the nature, everything is. So we need to be thankful. Just like if somebody were to give you something nice, right? If I were to give you a candy, what will you tell me?
Thank you.
Thank you, exactly.
You will say you're welcome.
Yes, I will say welcome. That's right, you're welcome. We kind of always thank anyone who does good things to us, right? So similarly, God does a lot of good things, right, Uday?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Uday, you want to add anything else that you know about Guru Granth Sahib?
So there are 6 gurus, and they're specific. In total, there's 10 gurus. So the names are Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Angad Dev Ji, Guru Amar Das Ji, Guru Ram Das Ji, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, also part of the Guru Granth Sahib, right?
Want to tell them that how other people have also written?
Yeah, so there are other, like, I forgot what they call it.
Bhagats.
Bhagats, yeah.
Yes.
And they also wrote some scriptures inside the Guru Granth.
Yes. So this is a wonderful aspect that not only the founders of the Sikh faith wrote, but the people of other faiths also wrote nice things about God, praising God. So the teachers of the Sikh faith said, oh, they also said the same thing what we are saying. So why not we put them all together? So when people gather, they're not going to say, oh, my faith is better than your faith. My religion is better than your religion. So every religion should be given the same respect. Okay?
Yes.
So this is what is taught in 6 scriptures. The other aspect is that it is all in music. Do you love music?
I love music.
You love music? Okay.
I'm going to become a singer when I'm older.
Huh?
I'm going to become a singer when I'm older, so I love music.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to be a singer.
Oh, really?
I want to be a singer.
Oh, my goodness. And what about you?
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Okay. All right. So it
I'm
also
a
talks
doctor,
about
not
how.
a singer. I don't want to be a doctor.
Okay. Or you want to be a singer and a doctor?
No.
When you sing, how does that make you feel?
Happy.
Exactly. And can you, if you were to sing, how does other people feel when you're singing? Happy. Exactly. So this is the best way of communicating with each other, right?
Yeah.
Because this is another gift of God, that God has given us the ability to sing and to listen to music, and all. Our brain functions better. Okay? So everyone should learn how to sing and play music. So gurus, the teachers, what they did was that all the words are in the scriptures is in music.
Yeah.
All in music. So we all, when we sit here, when you're reciting, so let me recite this like a one passage. Tanasri Mahalla Panjma Jan ke Puran hoye kaam Kali Kal Maha Bikhya Main Laja Rakhi Ram Raha. So how did you guys think?
Good.
Was I doing good job?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is how we recite each hymn written, or each passage written in the 6 scriptures. So we all try to sing nicely. This is how it should be. Okay? Did I miss anything Uday Singh?
Not really. I don't think so.
Okay, the last thing I'm going to say is that the way the scriptures is placed here, these nice clothes giving a very beautiful look, it's again a symbol. It is to show that the king is here, and God is the ultimate king of the universe, right? God is the supreme power. So this is symbolically given a canopy. So if we were to go back, time travel, and go in Egypt, and let's say we were to enter where Pharaoh was sitting, you know how Pharaoh will be sitting in a big throne, and there'll be a canopy, and there'll be people doing these kinds of whisks, right? Oh, to show that this is the king. So this is exactly how we are presenting. This is the king of the kings is God. So this is all symbolism of a royal presence. Okay?
Yeah.
Now you get it?
Yes.
So you must be wondering, why is this? Why this ornament? Why do they have a canopy? What is this doing? Okay? These are all symbols to show that this is a king here. And God is the ultimate king. And all these words are only talking about God, nobody else. And how to live your life nicely and treat everyone with love and respect. Okay?
Yes.
Yes?
Is your holy book done like a trope? Do you learn the particular trope? In other words, each word has a melody to it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like like the Torah, you know?
Yes. And the Eastern musical system is different than the Western musical system. In the Eastern is that you give the name of the melody. For example, the one which I just sang,
Right.
it is in Rag Tanasri, which is a morning rag. So the person who is reading it would have to know how to sing in that particular melody. So there are no musical notes here. General guidelines are given that this particular hymn should be sung in this particular melody,
Got it.
which is either morning melody, afternoon, evening, or night. So that's how the guidance is.
Thank you.
And it's all in poetry, and 1430 pages.
In what language is it in?
The language is Gurumukhi. It's called Punjabi language in more popular terms. And the good thing about this is the roots of the language is also from the same root where English has come out. So it's all Indo-European languages. So we read from left to right, just like English. The main thing was why this language was used by the founders of the faith, because Sanskrit was considered the most sacred language. No lay person could learn the language. So gurus wanted God's knowledge to become very popular, and every lay person, whether low caste or high caste, can read. So they created their own language.
They created their own language.
Yes. to make it available to everyone rather than being held by only the priestly class.
But it wasn't a language that was already known.
It was, the spoken part was there, but the written part, in order to be able to transfer that knowledge to other people, they kind of organized the alphabets, and then they created the entire script. Yeah, that was a smart idea. They created their own system.
Right.
Yeah, Maya, would you like to say something? It was your idea, right?
Well, can I ask a question to
Sure.
the Jewish visitors? Do you know another holy book that also wears special clothing?
Torah.
The Torah, right? Does that wear special clothing just like this one has special? This book has special clothing, and it's sung in a special way, right? And it's kept in a special kind of area.
And
Yes.
under a tummy.
Right. Right.
That's right. Yes, the Torah, the way Torah is treated in the Jewish community is similar to how we treat our scriptures. All right?
And I'll just say one last comment.
Could you
Sorry.
come here? Yes.
There's a Jewish story where a man approaches a famous Jewish rabbi and says, "Can you teach me everything that's in the Torah while I'm standing on one foot?" And the rabbi says, "Yes. Treat others as you would treat yourself." So I just want to say you did a great job of explaining what is in your holy book on one. Well, we could have been standing on one foot. So thank you for encapsulating it so
No, but
beautifully.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But I want to thank especially Maya. It was your idea, right?
Yeah.
To bring all the kids together? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's very nice. Thank you so much. All right, did you guys taste that sweet thing that we just served?
I haven't tasted. No.
Okay, we're gonna give that to you. So basically, it is a symbol that since we all gathered here, now it's time to celebrate, right?
What's it made out of?
It's made up of wheat, butter, and sugar.
Yummy.
So to enjoy and to celebrate. Similarly, when we conclude, we do all the service, we all do the singing, we all come together, and then we have a little small celebration by serving sweet thing to each other. So we're gonna give that to you. All right?
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji.
Here.